right, boys and girls, yesterday we talked about nonfiction books, and our reasoning for having nonfiction books was for a very different reason than we read fiction books. So today we're going to talk about the author's purpose. Purpose is like your reason for doing that. You know, sometimes when you do something, you might say, I didn't do that on purpose. It means you didn't mean to. But an author writes a book on purpose. He means to do it. And we think about the letters to pie. We say it's as easy as pie because pie's so yum and tasty going down. So pi helps us to remember the 3 reasons an author would write a book or an article. First, it would be to persuade you. In a persuade one, the author's trying to get you to do something or try something. So they're trying to convince you of something, like a commercial. Buy this, it's the greatest product ever, right? The other one is inform. Look at the word inform. You'll see inform in information. In a book to inform, the author gives us information and teaches you facts, like a book about bats or a newspaper article. The books we looked at yesterday were all written to inform us. And then the other one is to entertain us. The author's just trying to make you enjoy a good story, like The Recess Queen we wrote the other day. That's a fiction text, or jokes, just something the author's writing to entertain you. So those are our 3 purposes for writing. An author has 3 purposes. He'll persuade, he'll inform, he'll entertain. So let's take a look at this slideshow right here. And let's look at some different kinds of books that might have those in it. Books that persuade. What pet should I get? Be a friend to trees. He's trying to make me like trees. Green Eggs and Ham, that whole book, he's trying to get that guy to eat those green eggs and ham, right? Those books are written to persuade. Books that inform us would be like a book about dolphins or a book about space or wild weather. Those would be informational books. And then books that entertain, the Kylie Jean Fashion Queen or Dog Man or Pete the Cat. Those are books that would entertain us. So those are the 3 kinds of books we have. So today, what I want you to do is I want you to go back to this chart and I want you to copy this into your journal. Now, you don't have to draw these pictures and everything, but at least write persuade, the author's trying to get you to do something, inform, and entertain, so that you can remember those 3 things. And then you're going to go to Seesaw and you're going to complete an activity trying to decide, what do you think this book is? Is it a book to persuade you, a book to inform you, or a book to entertain you? All right? Knowing our author's purpose helps us understand the text better. If we realize, why am I reading this book? It helps us to understand the text better. All right? So let me see some great reading going on today and looking for that author's purpose.